Hi, this is Justin Popovich. Welcome to toolsformotivation.com. We specialize in producing done-for-you self-help programs and products that you can purchase a license to, then you can customize them and publish them as your own. This week, we have a very special offer on one of our latest programs called Vitality, your high energy makeover. So this dives into the concept of creating high energy habits, the ability to raise your energy, maintain your energy, manage your energy. Super important in the world of peak performance, self-improvement, and so on. So what I want to do in this video is walk you through everything that's included, and you'll see as you scroll down the page below, you'll see all of this content, but I wanted to kind of give you a little bit more of a behind the scenes look so you really know what you're getting your hands on here before you buy. Of course, if you have any questions, you can hit our contact link and we'll be more than happy to answer those before you make your buying decision. But let me actually give you a demo here so you can see exactly what we've built. Okay, I've just switched over to a live look at my computer screen here. You can see both, I have the page that you're looking at. This is the sales page for our product. And then on the right side of my screen is the actual product itself. If you were to purchase a copy, this is what you would see when you unzip the contents. So there's 5 important pieces here, and you'll see them reflected on the page below. So premium, lead gen, branding, social, and marketing suite. Each one of these folders or sections has content that you can customize and begin working with. So let's start with the premium content here. This package, this folder, is filled with material designed for you to monetize in some form. So you might want to sell it as an ebook, you might want to package this stuff up with other content you've written to create a course, or really get creative with it here. So what you'll find inside of the premium folder is an ebook, audiobook, an enhanced ebook, and a workbook. So on the left side here, again, scroll down and take a look for yourself. You'll see a visual representation of all of these things. But what I wanted to do is actually show you what this looks like over here. So in the ebook folder, for example, when you purchase this product, you could pop open this ebook. It comes in Word doc format as well as pages. So whether you're on a Mac or a PC, we've got you covered. And you'll just simply want to open this ebook and begin reading it, right? So here, like, it's a full ebook here ready to go. All the chapters are laid out for you on the page here, and you can just sort of kind of picture how you might want to use this. Do you want to create an ebook that you sell to your existing audience about high energy habits? Do you want to, again, maybe put this as a module in a larger course? You can get super creative with it. So this is your starting point. This is what you would build out from. Now, we also include a series of e-covers here. There's a few different styles. So if you want to just kind of use pre-made covers like this, you can do that. You can see a few different ones here, right? Or you can take the editables and then switch it up, give it to your designer, and make something completely new and unique to your brand. So all of that is built there for you. Now, the ebook itself is the starting point, but we've also narrated that for you into audio format. Now over here on the sales letter side, you can scroll down to the audiobook section here and actually listen to a little sample of what that sounds like. So you can kind of listen, is this something you'd want to publish as your own? Now keep in mind, when it comes to private label rights content, even if the audio is not in your voice, it's still super useful. There's a lot of audiobooks on the market right now that are not narrated by the author themselves. So you could simply say that this is a book published by your company, your organization, and it's been narrated by a third party. So that's the audiobook. There's also an enhanced ebook. It's the same as the ebook that I showed you here. The only difference is it's laced with graphics, basically. So you've got an ebook, but it's all got a bunch of design layout components already built in for you, and you can make changes as you see fit. And then there's also a workbook here. The workbook, it has a bunch of exercises and charts and just little sections that your customer can fill in to actually implement the ideas being taught with inside of that ebook. Okay, so that's the premium folder. Next folder down here is lead gen or lead generation. Okay, so this is how you're going to build your list. The lead gen folder starts with a lead generation report. You can see it here. It's called energy maintenance. Now, if you pop open the live look at it here, it's just like that's a added file there. It's just like the other ebook, but shorter. It's only 1,500 words. It's got some tips here on high energy habits. It gets your prospects thinking about the whole concept of good energy habits, creating a high energy lifestyle. You can give this away for free. People will join your list, and then you can begin engaging with them. Now, what you would want to do next is start sending emails out. So we've pre-written 10 different emails here about high energy habits. You can copy and paste these quite literally into your autoresponder. And then at the end of each email, invite them to purchase your premium content, whether it's the audiobook, the ebook, some kind of package where there's the workbook, maybe you built a coaching program around it. It's really up to you. And then there's also a slide deck here as well. This is just a quick slide version of the ebook. If you want to create a video, if you just want to give away additional material for your leads, you can do that. Scrolling down further here, you will see the branding folder. Now, branding is important because this is content that you can basically publish anywhere. You need blog posts, you need social posts, you want material just to share freely online. All of the content in here will allow you to do that. There are 10 articles in a variety of formats here, but each one, again, links back to this concept of high energy habits. Those articles have been repurposed into reports, as well as slide decks. And then you'll also find a checklist in here, which is just a short report highlighting some of the key lessons from the main ebook without giving away the whole thing. So you're just kind of teasing out the idea, getting people interested in this concept, giving away this report for free, and then inviting them again to come and purchase your premium material. Next down is the social folder. So I'll again scroll over here. The social folder is mostly images that you can share on different social networks. So there are 20 different posters. You can see a summary of them there. There's an infographic about high energy makeover tips. There's Pinterest images, Instagram images with tips on it, as well as pre-written tweets and Facebook posts. So again, you'll find all of these organized top to bottom in the product. All you would need to do is open them, make any edits you want, and then publish them under your brand. Finally, there's a marketing suite. Here we've created a pre-written sales letter, so some short copy introducing people to this concept of high energy habits. There are thumbnails of each of the key components of this product. So if you're building a sales letter, it's nice to have these graphics that kind of show people before they buy what they're going to see inside. And then we've also included some buy buttons in there, but there's also a hand-curated Unsplash collection. Unsplash.com is a website with royalty-free images. You can see a collection of them here. So we've just linked you back to each one of the images used from Unsplash to build this product in all the different concepts that you see. So if you want to change any of it or provide attribution to the original artist, you can do that here. So that's pretty much this product in a nutshell. What you're going to want to do is just kind of review this summary before you buy. Again, send us any questions that you have. And if you want to take advantage of it this week, you can see here, it's $90 off. Until Friday. So you're going to save $90 over the public price only on this page. So again, send us your questions before Friday if you have them. Take advantage of this deal now, and we hope to see you on the inside. Thanks.